Jain sir, Acharya Chanakya once said that the country is not defeated until it's able to defend its culture. The culture of the country is defended by its own people when they stand united, and of course by the defense forces when they launch counter operation against the enemy, which are integrated in nature. This leads me to my today's lecture topic, that is theater of command. Let me take you to the brief history in which Pakistan attacked Kashmir in 1947, in response to which Raja Hari Singh signed the letter of accession with India and Indian army defeated Pakistan. In 1965, Indian army marched till the territory of Lahore. In 1971, Indian Navy destroyed Karachi under the Operation Trident. Indian army successfully defended against the 2000 Pakistani troops which were who were marching towards the Longewala post, and of course Indian Air Force via Hunter aircraft destroyed rest of the tank regiment of Pakistan. In 1999, we faced Kargil war. Of course, India won all the wars, but the problem we were facing during these wars were Indian Navy, Army, and Air Force were launching separate operations by taking permission of government separately. That the time duration in which government approve the permission to attack the enemy or to launch counter operation against the enemy, during this time enemy would prevail within the territory of India. To reduce that time of launching counter operation, in 2019 cabinet committee of security under the chairmanship of Pradhan Mantri Shri Narendra Modi approved the establishment of Chief of Defence Staff and Department of Military Affairs. The first Chief of Defence Staff post was under the visionary leadership of General Bipin Rawat. General Bipin Rawat had a very visionary idea, a very visionary plan, and he said that India would face 2.5 front war, in which first front is Pakistan, second front is China, and point 0.5 front is the sleeper cells of enemy within our motherland. To counter this, the theater of command was introduced, in which Army, Navy, Air Force, intelligence, and the space technology which India has developed would operate with integrated nature. The efficiency of a theater of command is seen during the Operation Sindoor, in which Indian Army, Navy, Air Force successfully defended India's territory against Pakistani drones and destroyed 9 terror bases and 11 Pakistani Air Force installations, which caused 20% damage to the Pakistan. In the end, I would like to conclude that we should not question the efficiency of Indian Army Air Force. They just prove it via launching operation. The Operation Sindoor was the best example of theater of command. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Bharat Mata ki Jai.